Mom, he's gonna eat my pony. Better watch out, because these things can pet. What the?
Go pet him. Does he let you pet him?
I don't think so. You try.
No way.
Try. Mom, come on, he's nice. Only if you have those, he's nice. Okay, if I try.
You have to be gentle.
Mom, after he tries, bite me.
Yeah, he may, I don't know.
You try, Mom. Come on. Mom, you have him. Look, watch.
No, don't bring him here.